Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix YouTube app freezes and unresponsive on iPhone and iOS 16. So guys, let's get start this video without wasting any time. So guys, solution 1 is check your YouTube server, is it working or down. So here is the website, is it down right now? So YouTube is okay, YouTube is up and reachable by us. So YouTube is working perfectly. So after checking the server, so check your internet connection. So connect your phone to the strong internet connection. After connecting your internet to strong internet connection, so solution 3 is quit YouTube and app and then restart iPhone. So I have opened YouTube, so quit the YouTube and restart iPhone. So tap on power button and volume up at the same time. So after restarting your iPhone, open the lock screen, and solution 4 is check for YouTube app updates. So go to the App Store to check for update. So if new update is available for YouTube, you need to update your application. So here you can see guys, my YouTube app is not updated, so we need to update to the latest version. Tap here to update. So after updating your app and it is not working, then what you need to do, delete the app and install again. After doing this, the last method is guys, reset all your settings. It will not delete your data, it will only reset. Tap on general, tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset and reset all your settings. This will reset all settings, no data or media will be deleted. So reset. So guys, it will 100% fix your YouTube freezes or unresponsive issue on your iPhone. So guys, thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you in the next video.